The private sector plays a very critical role in our economy. If you consider their role in creating employment, their role as in enhancing, by them paying taxes, that's what builds our roads, that is what pays capitation for your students. And therefore, this is just part of our continuous engagement with them. And the decision that we have made between ourselves as Parliament and the private sector is that we need to have continuous engagement, not just when particular proposals are brought before the House or before the committee. And one of the recommendations that have come from this particular meeting is, can we institutionalize the MTRS? And probably even station it outside National Treasury and include members of the private sector in that medium-term revenue strategy framework. So this means that we're going to have people outside government, outside National Treasury, make their recommendations, not just make their recommendations, but make decisions on our medium-term revenue. The next actionable steps is the decisions that we've made here. We have another quarterly meeting to review whether the particular decisions that we made, whether they were implemented or not. Challenge them to relook at our budget making process and ensure there's more involvement. And we're saying, if we have to grow our country and our economy, we must not just scrutinize the revenue side, but we must scrutinize even more, and with a toothpick, the budget side. When you pay taxes to expend, what is our expenditures on? And what are possible areas, possible quick win areas in the expenditure side that we can reduce so that we have a saving, and so that we not have to have too many measures to correct revenue to finance that particular budget. And we have all agreed that that is a space that we have not been as keen in oversighting, as keen in giving our remarks on. And the private sector has promised that now, as we start this new budget cycle, they are going to be more involved, not just in the revenue side, but also most importantly in the expenditure side.